Hello, this is the presentation for the Hyatt Regency collapse of 1981, which was a very tragic event. The Hyatt Regency collapse was of the walkways of the second floor and the fourth floor. No one knew what was the reason of this, and people felt that it was because it was a party going on with over 1,500 people, that it must have been overcrowded. When investigators determined footage and seen that it was about 60 people on the walkway, which the strength of it is 488 kilograms per square meter. The first should have been strong enough to carry at least 1,280. OSHA cites that rebar and hang wires should be tested. There was a test done on everything except the walkway, which was a construction failure from the beginning because the weight of the hanger rods, as you can see, was holding the fourth floor and the second floor walkway, which was too much to bear when the beams was inward. They was welded inward instead of outward. The way it was set up was that it was the job of the construction engineer after the fabricator, which was the builder, gave the green light. A month later, they changed the way it was supposed to be. The original design on the left shows how it should have been, so each floor could have supported its own weight. But instead, the design on the right is the way they went, which the weight would have been held perfect if the beams was welded inward instead. Excuse me, it would have been welded outward instead of inward. Over 111 people died. 188 was hurt. Took crews 9 hours to clear everything. The hanger rods in the middle was supporting the fourth floor and also supporting the second floor. When the holes they would have added an extra rod beam, it would have been able to support both floors. They would have held their own weight. And these are the floors right here of the Hyatt Regency. The blueprints show that the beams was connected to the same hanger rod.
Opening web page.
People was trapped. They calculated 80 people was on the walkway. And we determined that the failure in the box being connected, the box connections, is the cause of the disaster. They wasn't inspected by OSHA. My research came from National Geographic. The role of the project management was to make sure the design was safe and effective. This is the original design where everything is straight. This is the change design. The box beam connectors should have been facing outward. Instead, they was facing inward.